Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We have to bring sum of sales count and sum of sales amount from these tables. Product name is repeated in multiple tables. We can bring the values using let function like this. We will give a as a variable name and we will append these all values. B stack will append data vertically. Now we will give second variable as b and we will append these all values. Now we want sum of b variables where variable a is equal to a2. Repeat the same process to get the sales amount as well. This is how let function works in Excel. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.